Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course you can remove them manually if you want to, just by tapping on this X button next to the website. However, if in your case this list is too long to do that, or you want to remove some advanced browsing data, simply tap on this option, Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, the history, cookies and saved data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything, and we can also change the time range. It's up to you. I will pick all time. Then simply tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.